All right, we have another integral from MIT 2022 here. It looks pretty confusing at first, but it's actually not bad. The key to it is it's this pattern that we've got the same thing here and here, and the same thing here and here. The only thing different is that we're subtracting, right? We're positive here and negative here. So it turns out we just have a formula that's going to allow us to reduce everything inside the integral. Okay, so I tried to line it up as best I could. I'm still a little off, but one thing I want to do before we really get to it, it's just this 1/2. We don't have that in the integral. So let's take care of that. I can multiply n by 2 on both sides, multiply a 2 here. So that way on the right side, we just cancel. So now what I want is this thing right here. We want our integral to be in exactly that form. And then the way we transform it is going from here to here. All we need to notice is, like I said, we've got the same thing here and here. And we've got the same thing here and here. So what I'm saying is, in our formula, the a value is just going to be x, and the b value is going to be sine of x. So using that identity in this direction, we'll rewrite the integral. The 2 is going to be a constant that comes out front. Again, our a value is x, and our our b value is going to be sine x. We end up with sine of x dx. But this right here is in good shape for a quick u sub. We'll just do u equal to sine x, then take a derivative, du is going to be cosine x dx. That way, this chunk right here, cosine x dx, is just du. Go ahead and substitute. It's all going to boil down to, like I said, this is u, so we end up with sine u du. Go ahead and integrate. What's happening? That's going to be minus cosine u. So we end up with minus cosine 2u. Go ahead and back substitute on it. But I missed, so we'll have to circle all the way back around and back substitute this way. And not only did I miss there, that's a pretty bad mistake. I somehow got the 2 inside. So that's really wrong. So let's get rid of that. Sorry about that. So the integral of sine u is minus cosine u. The 2 as a constant, we multiply it in, and we'll throw it right here. I just put it in the wrong place. I put everything in the wrong place. So now we go ahead and back substitute on it, and for my final solution on it, we just get minus 2 cosine sine x, add a plus c, and that's it. All right, there you go. Fun problem from MIT 2022. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.